Listen, they try to put me in a box, the urban dude. I miss the festivals, Coachella, Bonnaroo. They never really understood what I was trying to do, and had me feeling Miles Davis kinda blue. I flipped the switch and put that rock star in my show. Went overseas and had them cop cars whipping slow. They looking for me, I was bad with a black band, eating everybody in the game. Pac-Man, the only issue is it's not a game. I got these kids looking at me saying, what a shame. He's so underrated, he should've sold more. Should've had a #1 record with his own tour. Look at his live show, look how he touched the keys. Look how the girls scream when he fall to his knees. Look how he pour his heart out when he tell his story. I guess I had to spill my guts so I could get my glory.